Surah Al-Fil, the divine protection of the Kaaba. Abraha, the ruler of Yemen, wanted to destroy the Kaaba to stop people from visiting Mecca. He marched with a powerful army and giant elephants. When the army reached near Mecca, Allah showed His power. Thousands of birds appeared in the sky, carrying small stones. They dropped the stones on the army. The soldiers became weak and were destroyed. The Kaaba remained safe, and the world learned that Allah protects His sacred places. Moral: Allah is the true protector, and no army can defeat His will.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل؟ ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل؟ وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
In the name of God, the gracious, the merciful. Have you not considered how your Lord dealt with the people of the elephant? Did He not make their plan go wrong? He sent against them swarms of birds, throwing at them rocks of baked clay, leaving them like chewed-up leaves.